Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dr. Fly HD coming at you with another video. And in this video, I'll be doing another unboxing. A video that I haven't done in a little while. Yeah, we're just gonna get right into it here. So here we have a bag. It is a rainy day here in where I live. So it's very nice and very thoughtful of FedEx to put this bag around it, so the rain doesn't get onto the box. So we'll just take that off. And then it's FedEx medium box is where these two models are in that I got. Just gotta open this up. Probably should have done this before I start recording. That's okay. There we go. Alright. Like I said, there's two models in here. One Phoenix model and one Geminijets models. I got these two models from wafflecollectibles.com. Great website. Highly recommend them. So here's the first one. All wrapped up in newspaper. And then that. And then there should be a second one in here. Yep. And then here is the second one. And then there's just a bunch of more newspaper in there. And that's it. All right. So we will start with this one, the big one. This isn't international. Right here we have a Phoenix Models Korean 777-300 in the 50 years anniversary library. Very nice details on the box. Phoenix Models does a great job of that. So we'll put that over there and we'll throw the newspaper on the ground. And then the next one is a Geminijets new release. It is the Air Canada E175. Great model, looks great. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Very short unboxing. Just thought I would do it for you guys. We set up a little bit of a shot here of both of them, of the the Phoenix Models Boeing 777-300ER for Korean in the 50 years livery, and the Geminijets new release Air Canada Embraer ERJ 175. So that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye.